Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Uno game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uno game on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken to the main menu. Otherwise, use your Facebook or your Google Play account to log in and you will end up within the main menu as well. Once you are inside the main menu, if you wish to log out from your account, click on the settings option at the bottom left corner and then click on Account Center. From the Account Center page, you will be able to log out from your account. Click on Switch Account or click on the gear icon at the top right and you will once again find Switch Account option. If you click on this, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out from your account. You can click on the OK button and proceed with logging out from your account, but this will still save some of your login information. So in order to completely log out from your account, open up your phone settings and then scroll down and tap on Apps. From the Apps page, use the search feature in order to search for the Uno game. Once you find Uno, tap on it and this will take you into the application settings page. From this page, first tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner to stop the application and then scroll down and tap on Storage. From the Storage page, tap on Clear Data at the bottom left and then tap on the Delete button, which will delete all of your user data saved on your phone for the Uno game. Once this process is completed, if you open up the Uno game once again, you will see that you have completely been logged out from your account and you will need to log back in once again in order to start enjoying the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Uno game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.